We're going to test out this Hohem iSteady X3 SE Gimbal. I know most of you people aren't into fishing, but I am going to test this today, tracking me while fishing. Something I enjoy and something I record. Nice, got some alligator gar over here, some turtle, some bluegill. No alligator today. Alright, we'll get set up and see how this thing works. Okay, so we've got the Hohem set up. We've got a GoPro recording it to see what it's doing. I am going to be using the remote. I do have it set up on tracking. As you see, it's tracking. For my circumstance, it will work better on a taller tripod. Ugh. Well, that GoPro just died. So, I guess we'll be using this one. Anyways, as I was saying, a taller tripod up here will definitely catch my footage better. Okay, I'm assuming that started the recording. Yep, it shows recording. Let me get that off the screen. Alright, what do you say, folks? Now we got microphones coming, so my audio will be much clearer. I won't have to compete with the vehicles driving by. So today we're going to be working with a frog. I just got this frog the other day. I have had no luck on it yet. If I can get my hands on it. This guy. Let's see what happens. Okay, for some reason it stopped tracking. You still see me? Alright. Let's see if it'll re-engage. Well, for some reason it quit tracking me. I wonder if maybe I pushed the button. Try taking the remote out of my pocket. go. Might have reached its limit. Let me give the tripod a little spin. There we go. Whoops. Glad I got that on camera. So now we're going to stop the tracking. And we're going to relocate. I'm going to leave it on along with the GoPro. Not a bad little gimbal. I'm not 100% sold on it. To be honest, I don't know how to really use it completely. I need to spend some time. Oh, and I forgot the remote. I'll have to remember to pick that up. Set the GoPro over here. See the water. And we're going to set this fella right there and get the tracking on. Hey, look at that. Tracking with a hoodie too. So I follow. It quit tracking again. So it has stopped, but maybe not. It must have just reached this limit. See, the version, the next series up rotates a full 360. See, it's not tracking. Let's reactivate it yet again. There we go. Alright, it's the third time activating the tracking. I don't have the remote in my pocket, so I'm not accidentally pressing the button. lost tracking again. Did it die? Maybe the sunlight. Still not tracking. Okay. All right, well, as we can clearly see, it's not tracking. Move it out of the sunlight. Let's see if maybe that's what's causing the issue. Come on. Now where are you going? Okay, stop. Track. Not tracking. Let me see if maybe it's the sunglasses. Stop. Track. Well, this thing is clearly not working. Where are you going now? Stop. You're still going. What are you even looking at? I wonder if it's freaking out because I left the remote over there. Well, I'm going to stop recording here. Stop recording. Flip this thing around here. Whoops. Yeah, I'll have to go back and get the remote. Well guys, as you can clearly see, this thing needs a little bit of practice. I need to figure out what I'm doing. If I'm doing something wrong, which in my eyes I don't see what I'm doing wrong, but this thing just will not. Alright, back to the drawing board. Okay, so we got the remote back. Let's sign back into the app and see if this thing will now try to behave. Tracking now. So I think it comes down to one or two issues. Either because I've left the remote and it got out of its 40-foot range, or with the sunshine blinding the AI. So let's see what it'll do now. Let's go there. Well, what was that? That's what I want. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Okay. So we're going to start the recording. The Hohem app. Should be able to follow me. I'm going to stick the GoPro behind. Let's see what... Oh, it didn't follow me. Alright, let's try this again without the glasses. There we go. Alright, so that should have zoomed in. Yeah. How did that zoom in? Let's bring you back over here. Stop tracking. I believe it was up, 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 up. Yeah, up on the remote zooms in. So, do a little adjustment. See if it'll work with the sunglasses. Alright, so it picked up the sunglasses. So, I think that's what the issue might have been, was with the remote being so far away and the sunshine blocking the AI. So now I'm curious to try the next version up to see how its AI works for daylight. But we're going to keep using this one. We'll run it into the ground. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.